Air-Clips.com.
Traffic 1 orbit beam feeds now. It's a military helicopter, 2 pieces out of Altmark, 3000 feet climbing 4000 direction cruiser.
Roger, in this case we do a 360 to the right here now, close 172.
That's okay as well.
Okay, I give you...
Right side is clear.
I give you...
I like the controller, gives us some fun, huh?
Yeah. 150 here.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Do it.
Oh, that's good. That's like your real life.
Yeah, exactly.
Test flight, you know. Ask him if we can go into the left-hand traffic circle.
Yeah, no, I think.
172, continue approach, left circuit at 3000 feet.
Continue, left circuit 3000 feet, 172.
So the visual approach you don't have in this plane yet, right?
No, because you see this is the old INAV, there's... Okay.
Ja, Möverland aan boord. Ik heb hem ook weer uit. Dus die moment is die
Okay, yeah, you need an override, yeah, you need to disconnect, yeah. Yeah, you can turn, nice, slower, keep 3000 feet, yeah, keep the power.
What a nice plane.
It's fun. Ah, there's the helicopter. So now we want to be over Standstad at 2,800 feet. With gear down. That's the village there.
Okay.
Yes,
2,800
feet.
Okay.
With gear down, full flaps, huh?
Okay.
And then you fly a pass of about 4 degrees, and you get around the corner. Yep.
Speed is checked, 08.
172 left and downwind at 3,000 feet for full stop.
Roger, wind 08 degrees.
Yep.
Check gear down.
06, clear to land.
Clear to land, 06, clear to 172. Okay.
Entry green coming up.
Check, yeah, you can turn towards the village because otherwise you make a lot of noise over there.
Entry green and next flaps.
Yeah, speed is checked.
It's checked. And we land with 33 later on, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, 29 is good.
Continue with the flaps.
Yeah.
Flaps all set.
Check. Now it's getting challenging with the speed, huh? You do manual speed, manual power. Flap 33, you so reduce your speed to about DSP plus 10. 2,800 is good, and then you fly a nice base over here, just left of that mountain there, huh?
Okay,
Don't point at the mountain,
okay,
go left. And we have already a landing clearance, that's good. That's good. Keep the nose down at 5 degrees pass now, because you're getting high, 5 degrees. Yes. Keep the nose pointing down, yeah. Point a little bit to the left of the mountains, otherwise we get a toss alert.
You can inhibit that one, right?
Yeah, we can inhibit, but we don't need to. So that's good. We just wait until we see the runway. Just go 4 degrees now. I think you should be fine with 4 degrees pass. We just wait for the lights to see. Yeah, looks 1 red. 1 red. You can drop down to 5 degrees pass. I see 1 red, 3 green, 3 white. Continue. The speed is good. Big greens. Final check. Delta P automation. All off. Final check complete. Continue turn.
On the tarmac cross startup.
Yep.
Expect runway 2 full QNH 10. Sorry. 1.
Take the pass into the runway. Into the runway here.
008 is the QNH and the tailwind is checked.
Yeah, a little bit of thrust.
Joining is
Check, a little bit nose up. Yeah, good, stable. Yeah, very nice. Point at the runway. Point at the runway. Very good.
100.
Point at the runway.
50.
Yep.
40. 30. 20. 10.
Yep, we flare a bit high. And we go a little bit off the center line, huh? Okay. So now, and now you can brake. Very nice. Good. We can go out here. That's easy.
Taxi to the factory.
Taxi to the factory und einen schönen Nachmittag, Mark. Merci.
Danke dir auch und merci für die Flexibilität.
Du, für das sind wir da.
Und hat Spaß gemacht, vielen Dank.
Sehr schön. Now, lift up in, you just give a little bit of thrust. Then you go in, huh? And then we get the flaps up, huh? Good. And I do...
Right side clear, left side.
Yeah, very good. Just continue to the left. 2, 1,
Go request enter on at Delta.
Airclips.com